Hey guys, Dave Schroeder again here with MaxHousePrice. We're back out at our property in Manassas that we have a progress of video to do now based on our how things are moving along with the project. So let's go head on in and see how things go. All right, so here we are inside. We're on the main level. This is a ground level entry townhome. They've made a lot of progress. Things look great. All right, let me turn that camera around so you guys can see. Got light fixtures going up. Look at that awesome chandelier from Natasha. She has a great eye for selections. Let's head through here. A lot of the painting's done already. Looking good, guys. Love it. Bathroom, still work in progress. Waiting on some parts and stuff to come in. Vanity top. Still got flooring to do in here. And then we've got all the grout works on the tile and then glazing that tub. Let's head on back here. This is the ground level rec room. Things look really good. Getting the doors back on right here. As you can see, they got that drywall work done inside there with the, that's a sump pump back there, but the dryer's going there. And then right here, washing machine hookups. Still got some painting to do in there, but still got a lot of trash in the backyard, but they'll get that cleaned up. No big deal on that. Looks like they got a lot of the deck boards replaced too. I can't wait to see that. I think they did some painting while we were gone. But let's head on upstairs and see how things are going up there. All right, here we are on the middle floor. This is where the living room, dining area, and kitchen are. I'm gonna turn this camera around again so you guys can see what's going on. Again, all this painting looking good. Cabinets, man, got them all painted. They look good. I like that color, Natasha. Man, she's got a good eye. Still waiting on countertops, appliances, and all that stuff, but that'll be coming later. And look at this. I want you guys to see something. The guys are cooking lunch on the old stove. Isn't that awesome? All right. And there we got Ray. How you doing, Ray? All right. So let's go head on upstairs and see what's going on up there. All right, guys, here we are on the top floor. Let's take a look and see how things are going up here. All right, they got the front small bedrooms all taken care of. Oh, look, looks like they're getting some of the hinges, this door hardware. We're going with that black finish, which looks awesome. Bathroom, like we said, they got the light fixtures up, but we're waiting on, vanity top, all that stuff's coming in next week. And then we'll get the Groutworks cleaning guy in to clean the tile, and then Ray's gonna glaze the tub after that. There we go. Our LED light, flush mount light fixtures. Master bedroom. Master bathroom. I really like that combination of the brass and black. It looks so good. Again, just waiting on materials to come in. And then again, the grout works on the tile and then glazing. All right, guys, well, that gives you a good progress report. We're looking at about 2 weeks out that we're gonna be finished and wrapped up on this job. Can't wait to see the final product and show you guys how everything turns out with the MaxHousePrice project. Have a great day.